Alright guys, this is Asif and you are watching Tech Tipper channel, and this is Mi Band 3 which was launched in China a few months ago, and now it has made its way in India and it's available at rupees 1999, and if you order it from Amazon India you will get it for around 1989 or something like that. I will put the link in the description so that you can check it. So this is the unboxing, although I've already unboxed it, so I'm doing it again for you guys. So on the top we get this Mi Band 3, this actual Mi Band 3, and this has got OLED screen on the top, and the other thing is the wristband. It's of silicon build quality and some documentation to let you know how to operate this Mi Band 3, and then there is a charger. The box is quite minimalistic, nothing else in the box, and you can use this charger to charge your Mi Band 3, and you can connect the Mi Band 3 to this charger at one end and then use a wall charger of your smartphone. It can be of Xiaomi or any other brand. You can connect it with your wall charger and you can charge it, and it is going to take a few hours, like 1 hour maybe. I've just done it for a few minutes and I got 19% battery on this device. So this is a touch sensitive device. There is also a touch sensitive button over there. You can swipe down to get more options, and when it is synced to your phone, which is why this Mi Band is for, you can sync it with your smartphone and get all the information on there. So Mi Band 3, and this is how you connect it with the wristband, and once it is connected you can wear it either on your left hand or your right hand, and then set it in the Mi Fit app that you can install from the Play Store and connect it with your smartphone to get more information. So you can get notifications for calls and messages, text messages. You can do many other things with this Mi Band 3, and you can get the option in the Mi Fit app that you will install from the Play Store, and you can track your exercise, you can track your sleep. There is a heart rate monitor on this Mi Band. You will have to keep the touch sensitive area of this Mi Band pressed to get to know about this. So this is just an unboxing of the Mi Band 3, and I will be using it for several weeks before I come up with the in-depth review and let you guys know whether this thing is worth your money or not. So wait for that. I will put the link in the description for the review when it goes live on the website, and maybe I will come up with a video as well. So this is just the unboxing. I hope you liked it. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.